satisfied ba kayo? Obviously, the lower house, no, pinaubayan nyo na sa ICI yung mga hearing, yung Senado nagpapatuloy. Are you satisfied with what they have done so far as well as the pace of how they have accomplished this? Or are you looking for bigger fish to be fried?
Without without offending, with no offense meant with the commissioners of the ICI, wala naman silang magawa. Kasi yung mga tao nila, DOJ, they are funded by the Office of the President. They are appointed by the President, and their term of office depends on the President. Unless na maisasabatas na, pinahil namin nila Congressman De Lima, ni Congressman Jokno na independent commission, yun ang truly independent commission. Pero nai-stall nag-marathon hearing kami na approve na sa committee, hanggang ngayon hindi pa nadadala sa plenary. Kung wala yan, I tingin ko, magiging washing machine lang ng Malacanang, yung ICI na yan.
Ano yung sense nyo doon, no? Doon sa ICP na gusto ngang isabatas? Because a lot of people are saying pwede namang gawin itong urgent or i-mark ng urgent ng Pangulo, pwede niyang i-pressure yung House. Do you get the feeling that that is not what is happening?
This is not what's happening now. Kasi alam ko nakapasa na ito sa Committee on Justice yata ng Senate. So the President can already certify it as urgent. Dito naman sa House, medyo 2 weeks na hinihintay namin na ma-calendar. Kasi pinangako ni Speaker D na yung yung Independent Commission Law Bill na ito ay matatapos before the session break of this December 18. Pero sa tingin ko, we are 7 days na lang yung aming session. So I don't think that it is possible now na maipapasa pa yan. So yan yung problema.